Well, today I am going to be doing a very exciting video. I am going to be trying out the new Jackie AINA palette. This palette is in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I could not wait to get my hands on it. I am such a huge fan of Jackie's channel. I've been following her for years. So when I heard that she was collaborating with Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was like, sign me up. Where do I sign my name? Where do I purchase this palette? I was so excited to support Jackie and to try out a new Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I have to say a big congratulations to Jackie on this collaboration. It is so well deserved and I am so happy for her. And let me just tell you, this eyeshadow palette is so versatile. The shades in here, I have yet to see a palette that has similar shade combos, and they are so rich and beautiful and they blend like a dream. So if you guys want to see my first impressions of the Jackie AINA palette and how I achieved this glam makeup look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you always get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Look at these colors. They are absolutely stunning, and this palette was specifically designed for women of color so that these shadows would all show up on their skin tone and be super bright and vibrant, which I really like. Obviously, all skin tones can use this palette. I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation. I am in the shade 370, and I'm going to apply that with a Sigma Flat Kabuki. Now, I've used this foundation like one other time before, and I will link to all my socials down in the description box. You guys should head over there if you want to see this foundation in action over there. That was my first time trying out this foundation, and honestly, I was really impressed. Now, I haven't worn this throughout the day. If you guys want a foundation review on this foundation, then just let me know and I'd be happy to do that for you guys. So I am going to go in with edges and I am going to work that into the crease. Yeah, that's super pigmented. Love it. And that blended out so easily. Like, all right, we are off to a good start. I think we're going to go for more of a glam eye today. So I am going to go in with Credit. I am going to pack that into the crease. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes because they're just, I feel like they're the most cost-effective palettes out there. For the quality and the amount of shadows that you get, the price point is very good. All right, so now I think that I'm going to pack on some more of that Credit shade into the outer corner of the eye. Also, that was another thing. This brush that comes in this palette is so good. I love this brush. It's just a good quality brush, guys. I'm taking Credit and I am packing that and placing it where I want it to go. And then when it is to my liking, I am going to go in and blend it out. Yeah, these shades are blending really well. Like, I haven't even had to really work to get them to blend out. My favorite brush at the moment for just packing shades onto the eye is the Laura Mercier All Over Eye Brush. I love this thing. And I am going to go into Sponsored. Oh my gosh, yes. This is giving me like MAC Blue Brown vibes. Do you remember when that was like really popular on YouTube? And this is Dola's. All right, so I think that I am going to go in on the bottom lash line with Credit again. And I'm just going to like really go in there. I'm always afraid to like really smoke my under eye out. And I think I might put a pop of purple in the inner corner. Not really sure how this is gonna turn out, but we're just going for it because I want to try as many of these colors on my eyes as I possibly can. Well, we got a little carried away with the purple. Don't be like me and do your concealer before eyeshadow. Do eyeshadow before concealer because I just got purple everywhere. And I am going to be using the Fenty, this is the Fenty eyeliner, which is my all-time favorite. All right, so now the liner is on, and I feel like I have to do lashes with this look. They are the Koko lashes in Queen Bee. Do I want to do blush? No, I don't think I want to do blush, but I am going to use another collab from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is the Resi Highlight, which is just the best highlight. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight brush, which is again one of my favorite highlight brushes. I use this every time I highlight. Now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Unbutton, and I'm going to place that right in the center. Alright guys, so here is the final look. Honestly, this palette is, I think, my new favorite. The Soft Glam palette is like one of my all-time favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this either ties it or I kind of almost like this a little more. I mean, all of these shades in this palette are so pigmented, so blendable. You do have a little bit of fallout, but not any more than I have with, you know, my Soft Glam palette or my Modern Renaissance palette. They're all pretty much equal in the fallout department. I mean, the versatility in this palette, I could literally take this palette on vacation and do an everyday look, do a night out look, do a look with every outfit, and it would also transition with my tan because I get really tan on vacation, so these shades would work. I don't have to bring like two separate eyeshadow palettes, one for when I'm like more tan and one when I'm like my winter shade. And I have like 5 shades on my eyes right now, and this look is bomb. Like, this is something that I wouldn't normally do, but I feel so glamorous. I am really excited to dive into these other shades. I really want to play around with this Zam shade. I mean, like, look at this shade. Are you joking me? Like, how pretty is this shade? It is just, honestly, Zam is like my dream shade. It's like it's like that perfect champagne, but it doesn't make your eyes look chalk. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to apply that onto my eyes. I cannot wait to do a makeup look with that. I love the packaging. I think it is so cute and unique, and it definitely does remind me of Jackie Aina. It's so colorful. Once again, congratulations, Jackie, on an amazing collab. This palette is so, so great, and I hope you have many more collabs in your future. And if you guys want to see more reviews like this, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!